Okay guys, good morning. I think it's day 5. Yeah, I'm pretty sure today's day 5. On our way to the beach. Not a perfect day. I'm kind of late. It's like 1 o'clock right now. So it's a little bit that I had to get the video uploaded from yesterday. I do all my editing at night. So I'm done with everything at night. I'm about to go to bed. I do all the editing stuff, have it download all night. It takes a while, and then upload when I wake up, and then it takes another like 2-3 hours. Once I start uploading on YouTube, it takes forever, especially because the internet connection is not as strong in the house. It takes a long time. So, and plus, I normally want to have the videos out at like 3 o'clock anyway, cause like the prime time. It's kind of difficult to figure it out though because of everyone all around the world. But I said 3 o'clock's the best time. So I'm going with it. I'm trying different kind of style of vlogs now. More editing. I like the way it's going right now. So I'm going to keep going to that. We'll see what happens. So here's the beach walk. Almost there. This is what the house in the first video. Big house. I think it's like $10 million. I think it's like 2 houses built into one. And where it is location-wise, right on the beach, pretty much. I would show you guys over the fence. There's people in there right now. The house could fit like easily like 30 people. Not even kidding. It's a big house. Huh. Someday, hopefully we can have it there. But look at the location where it looks off of the house. Really cool. There's no one down here. No one here. How is it, Uncle Eddie? Is it warmer? I don't think it's gonna get much warmer. Okay, John, so how are you enjoying everything so far?
I love it all.
It's fun. It's nice to be away from school and everything.
Yeah.
Trying to be going to school together in the fall.
Yeah.
Possibly future roommates, maybe someday. Maybe next year. Who knows? So we're already getting ready for that. So we're in the same room. So in case someday we have to be roommates. No, we're always. Every time we come to the beach, we're always roommates. Nice day today. It's like 76. I think tomorrow's like 88, 90. But at the beach, it's like 10 degrees hotter than what it is. So like 76 now, it feels like 86, and tomorrow's gonna feel like 96, probably. The water is nice and warm and clear, as you guys probably see in the GoPro video. So nice, very nice. There's actually some human beings down here, not these, not the pelicans or seagulls. Some humans down here. Finally get to see other people. I think the low light should be on. Hey guys, we're in the hot tub. Are you okay? We're struggling with sunburn right now. I got a little bit on my back, that's about it. I can't tell if you can even see me or not.
Stop recording me.
Do you want to paint? Can you guys see the sky? Maybe?
It's supposed to be what a lobster feels like.
Getting cooked? Probably much
Can you
worse.
serve that out back?
Yeah.
You know you're supposed to have it water boiling?
Yeah.
So you can get sued.
For animal cruelty.
Yep. You're supposed to have the water boiling.
I don't even know what you guys can see right now. Guess we'll find out. How's your day going?
Not bad. How about yours?
Good? I can't really see you. You see me in the picture?
Hardly, but I mean, yeah, you're dark, but you're
Dark.
there. You have a symbol for some reason on your camera. I don't know what that means.
Which one?
The red one with the red camera thing.
That means it's recording.
Oh.
Sean, it seems like the vlogs are doing pretty good right now.
What?
The vlogs are getting a pretty good amount of views.
Yeah, from what I've seen.
Sean's watching. Sean glitches some from down, then some come back up again.
It's alright.
Confuse everything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Have you ever had shark?
I got a shark before.
What kind, do you know, or just...
I don't know, it's normal, general kind. This is just a hot tub right now. The hot's like 102. 102-ish. We need to have a good title for, let's get a title for today's video. Get a good title. Would attract a lot of views. What would you pick?
Well, let's think. You had an injured pinky.
That was only yesterday though.
I know. Everything's closed! Exclamation point.
Hey, but we gotta add a swear word in there too, extra.
Can you do that?
We can, but like a censor kind of like have like a what's it called?
Beep.
Not like that, but what's it called? The stars, the pound symbol,
Oh, yeah.
something like that. See the stars. So,
Sand.
well, that'd be a good title. We had a picture of you drowning in the pool yesterday. I didn't use that one now.
Scalding hot tub.
Yes, yesterday's video was called Infinity Hot Tub, which kind of was because of the river flowing.
How to become a lobster, part 1. Get sunburned going to a hot tub.
Bad idea. I know what would be a good title. How to make a lot of money on YouTube. Be a good title.
Yeah, clickbait.
Clickbait. I should do at least before the whole like advertising issue. You hear about the advertising issue we're having right now?
I've only heard rumors why what's going on.
A lot of advertisers dropped out. YouTube lost like $600 million, something like that. And a lot of people aren't getting paid as much as they used to for being on YouTube.
Well, I don't think people like PewDiePie need to be making more than they do.
He's making like a couple million, easily a couple million. It's crazy how much they make.
He's weird. Like, I remember when he was just like a couple $100,000.
PewDiePie or?
That's how long I've been. I haven't really watched his videos, but I like Markiplier. Although, how about this? What's the channel on YouTube that you've been watching the longest? You would say.
I don't know. There's a couple I watched when they had a couple thousand, so now I'm throwing up to like I think 100,000 now.
Mine would definitely, well, I guess just in general, mine would have to be Rooster Teeth.
I remember that.
Achievement Hunter. Oh, they were.
I remember in the Halo 3 days.
Yeah, Red versus Blue.
Yeah.
That was the.
I remember those. That's back in that's back in 09-ish.
They're still going. Well, they started with Red versus Blue back in Halo 1.
Really?
Yeah, they've like, what, 2002, 2003.
Yeah.
That's how long they've been going. So they're in like their 15th, 16th season.
Oh no, they put if you go on Social Blade, it tells you how much money they make.
Yeah.
Like mine, I'm projected to make. I make between on mine from what it says, which is pretty accurate though. I make between 300. Sounds good. I make between $300 a year up to like $2,500 a year. But I think I made a total like maybe $5,000 total on YouTube.
Nice.
For the 5 years. I've been almost 5 years. I'm going on my 10th year in a couple. July 7th is my 10th year in YouTube. Year 10. I finally hit my video to hit 1 million views in one video. I'm halfway to 100,000.
I don't know. If there's an Achievement Hunter video out there, they have their own shows now, but
Individually.
yeah.
Same with Machinima. People like broke
God.
apart.
Well, if there's an Achievement Hunter video out there, I've probably seen it at least once. And
You'll probably have a bunch of videos too.
there's another group. They were with Machinima. Now they're a partner with Rooster Teeth.
IGN.
No, they were called Fun. Well, they were called Inside Game.
I know that was Machinima.
Yeah, they were with Machinima, and they broke off, and then they joined Rooster Teeth, and they made their own organization called Funhouse.
Really?
They're not doing too bad. They're
I just can't wait to hit
pretty
100,000.
fun, honestly. I was iffy about them at first, but
I just can't wait to hit 1,000. Oh yeah, 100,000. I think the best way to make money and views is, from what I learned, I mean, you gotta have a good title. You gotta do like how when I first started, I did a lot of like news videos, got like the big topics. Like I remember North Korea, Justin Bieber going off the walls.
yeah,
That helped me to get started at least.
Well, Achievement Hunter has this thing called AWU, which is Achievement Hunter Weekly Update, and they've been doing that since like probably 2008. So they're up to like at least 300 or 400 episodes.
Oh, wow. I'm up to like almost 500 vlogs. I'm getting very close to that.
Yeah, whatever happened? I couldn't find your thing from Gabone 14 or the.
That's all gone. I deleted all that.
Why?
When I made my new channel, I made Stevie Pax.
Oh, you didn't say like the Katy Perry thing or.
I do have that, and I have a couple of older videos from like when my back in 2007. I'm gonna bring this back out again for my 10th anniversary edition video. I have one is like me, Josh, and all them. We're like, I think 12. And that's around. I think it's like a couple months after I made my YouTube channel. I think it's like October 2007. Cause you see Josh on all my videos, you see Zach in a lot of my videos. It's like all of us when we were 12. 10 years ago.
What was it? What was the
I have a lot of good videos. I have a Justin Bieber parody video on the channel somewhere.
Remember
Deep.
What was the one you did where you broke someone's house or whatever? You broke through someone's door? One of your videos, like for your.
That was Zach.
Oh.
That was the movie we made.
Oh, okay.
I still got on my last one. I still have all the videos from our second movie, which is still in development, kinda. I mean, it looks good, but I don't know if we're ever gonna finish it. We're busy. We're so busy. Everyone's so busy.
Yeah, college.
I don't think we're ever gonna finish that movie. It's supposed to come out in 2014, the year after the first one, but
Things happen.
things happened, didn't work out. I mean, I think it would have been good. I'm pretty good with my software now. It's a shame how it didn't work out like I planned.
Yeah, I don't know how some of these companies make money really.
It's all off ad revenue and views. Like I
Yeah,
think
guess.
for I think the estimate around every 1,000 view is like.
Well, I have YouTube Red, so
Oh, so you don't. You pay for that?
unfortunately. I mean, I don't know. I only did it because
People use ad
I just
blocker.
got tired of seeing the same ads, and
I hope so.
I I just like background listening.
Yeah, I do too.
Meaning I can go to my home screen and listen to whatever I want.
I mean, I think it's like for every 1,000 views they get $1. Now since they're having to hold a like advertisement boycott, that probably dropped to like maybe 20 cents a view or 20 cents a per 1,000 view ish. I mean, it doesn't really seem like my CPM is like average per 1,000 view drop much.
Well, there's also
A little bit, not as bad as people.
What I don't really like these days, I guess, on YouTube is there's people who I think have become somewhat desperate. Like, I don't mind vlogs and stuff like that of like, oh, my house is getting redone. Here's some video.
Yeah, I like vlogs. I like daily
But
vlogs.
there's people who like vlogs every single day. I'm like, it's like they're only doing it because they need the money. Like, that's the only reason.
I mean, that's how also how you gain a following too. But I college vlogs every day, and then I do summer vlogs every day now since last year. So I'm doing vlogs pretty much 365 days a year.
There's this guy.
That's a lot of vlogs.
There's this guy I used to like. I mean, I don't not like him. I just love watching his name's Roman Atwood.
Oh yeah, you watch him. He's having another baby.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, he's making his titles like stand out. Like, oh my god, him.
That's
He
he,
literally does that, and then he talks about something else for like three-quarters of the video.
that's how you get the views. That's how people get the views
I
and
know,
money.
That's
It's clickbait. I mean, it works. It's a good it's a good strategy.
what I
It
like.
brings attention in.
That's what I like about Achievement Hunter is that their videos are mostly like series based, or like they'll
Yeah.
let's say they play an indie game. All right, they'll do it, and then if it does well enough, they'll
Big new
film
one.
a second part. Well, they've always filmed a second part anyway. They just don't release it if it doesn't do well. But
They might as well. We have nothing to
but
lose.
they don't do clickbait. They literally just like catalog everything. Like Outlast 2 is out right now. So they'll be like, the series is called Let's Watch, and it'll be Let's Watch Outlast Episode 2, and they won't do like exclamation points and like, oh my god, this happened or anything. Like that.
I do that in my videos. You can probably notice in my videos I started doing that.
They don't do. They
You gotta have a catchy title though. I mean, that's how I watch videos too. If it has like a crazy ass title.
People just watch them because they know it's Achievement Hunter and they know it's gonna be
I mean,
a
gaming's
fun time.
different
I know.
compared to even my GTA videos. Like I do a lot of GTA videos, like how to make money. Which I mean, I do show how to make money, but I make a title like "make money," like exclamation point,
Yeah, I know.
craziness. But I mean, the video, GTA video that Scott and I made I think it was last year, 2 years ago. It got over 100,000 views.
Probably because GTA Online was relatively new.
That was back in 2015, whatever it was before he moved.
2013.
I know, but even now, it's still so popular. It's the most popular live stream right now, even over the new Call of Duty. It's crazy.
There's just like I've tried getting into live streams. I just really have bad internet connection.
I love doing live streams
You know
now.
what Twitch is?
I used to go on Twitch. I somehow have like 56 followers. I don't even go on it. I just have my YouTube account linked to it.
Yeah, that's what this one guy. He was also a hunter. He went on his own. He's called Brown Man. And
That might, since YouTube's having a lot of issues now, you might see a rise in Twitch.
yeah, maybe it's what people love to, and that's what I like about him is he does the same thing. He just does a lot of catalog based stuff, but he also has a YouTube account where he does like he edits clips from like his streams for that month.
Yeah.
Like the funniest parts he can find. He actually mentioned me in his video, and by that I just mean I donated to him.
That's cool.
And then I just had a profile, and I like SMH Sean PGH. That was like what I donated under.
That's cool.
Like,
Yeah, I know.
Like,
That's cool.
donation,
You can do that
Sean.
now. You can do that now on YouTube too, during live streams.
He was like,
That's pretty
and then actually what it was is I subscribed first, and I had to pay like $5. He was like, welcome to the Raiders. That's like his name for all of his followers. The Raiders. His name's Ray.
Huh.
And he was like, "Welcome to the Raiders. We love you.
We love you.
Welcome to the family." That kind of thing. And I donated like about an hour or so later.
Like, I think people do like 24-hour lashes. That's intense stuff. That is very intense. But you remember the whole like the baby giraffe being born stuff?
I don't remember that.
You had the baby giraffe on YouTube, the live stream.
I honestly can't say I remember that. I mean,
It was like
I believe it.
It was a couple weeks ago.
Oh.
It started off maybe again. I was on there when I first started, like 200 views. I had a live stream with my ducks and chickens, so I happened to see it. There was like maybe 200 people watching at one time. About a month later, a couple days later, it gone viral all over. You hear on the radio, everything.
Yeah.
So
It's been out, yeah.
for the live, it's a 24-hour live stream, 7 days a week. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. It's been all over YouTube. They got like average viewing at a time was like 200,000 people. When it was being born, it had over 1 million people watching on YouTube, trending on Twitter, everything. It was just crazy. And it got over almost, I think, 600,000 subscribers in a couple weeks. It just went. That's the most viral content I've ever seen. It was just crazy how fast that blew up. They went from having like maybe a couple hundred subscribers to nearly 600,000 subscribers now. I mean, a lot of people just unsubscribe because it's over now. But every Tuesday they have a live stream. I mean, they had a GoFundMe where they made like $250,000. People can donate. They probably made another easily $100,000, and probably easily another $500,000 easily off the live stream ad revenue itself. I mean, I don't understand why they don't keep it going. They're missing out on all that ad revenue. They probably make easily another $500,000 more if they would have kept it going. They wouldn't stop it. That zoo would have been so good, so set off. I definitely want to go there and see it, check it out in New York.
I know something. Have you ever heard of a website called Last.fm?
No.
Last.fm? It's like a music sharing website. Well, these guys from Funhouse, they were just doing this video or whatever, and they heard a friend that try and start his music career, and they found him, and they weren't laughing at him. They were laughing at what they call subscribers over there. They call them scrobbles.
Scrobbles? They're in different countries.
No, it's just a website, and it was just
It's an knockoff of YouTube.
Like, yeah, and I guess it's where I guess other artists, like he looked up Kanye West. He's like, oh my God, he has 100 million scrobbles.
Scrobbles.
They're just laughing at the name and like how ridiculous it was. And that's kind of what got me into Funhouse, because now they have their own series of stuff they do. Like they do at least once a week GTA 5 gameplay. They have their own podcast. They have a series called Demo Disc, which is where they either get sent in or they find them of just really, really crappy demos from like the late 90s and early 2000s, and they play them on their
Mixtape.
on their PC. Like there was a really crappy
That's
NHL game.
Wayne Gretzky.
Probably. It's just the controls half the time. It's like I can
funny.
see.